Welcome to another 60 seconds of power-packed stock market analysis. Today, we dive into the dynamic world of sports industries. From manufacturers of sports gear to health and fitness companies, this sector bristles with potential. On the technical side, charts show an upward trend in the sports industry. Each curve and line points towards a promising future. But remember, always cross-verify with fundamental analysis. Let's delve deeper into fundamentals. Look at the earnings per share, the price-to-earnings ratio, and don't forget the annual sales growth. These numbers tell a story, a tale of potential growth and investment opportunities. But here's a tip. Don't just follow the crowd. Do your research, understand the game, and make your move. The stock market is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's about understanding and enjoying the process, the thrill of the game, the joy of winning, and the lessons from every loss. Stay savvy, stay smart, and until next time, keep investing.